Just like fire, burning up the way. I can light the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my DIY hair moisturizer. So if you're interested, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a spray bottle. So I'm going to take the top off of that. Next you're going to need good old water. And it's going to be mostly water, so you want about 75% water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that. Mostly water. Next, we got good old aloe vera juice, you guys. And aloe vera juice is just good for so many things. It helps promote hair growth. It conditions the hair. It helps restore the pH balance in the hair and the scalp. It's just good for your scalp. Very good. So I'm going to put about 25% of this in. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that's the aloe vera. And next, we're gonna add some essential oils, you guys. Every time I make my my DIY hair moisturizer, I use different essential oils. So today I'm gonna be using peppermint, and I'm going to be using lemongrass. So peppermint is really good for the scalp because it gets the blood flowing, and that's good. That promotes hair growth, and it really feels good going on to your scalp. It's really cooling on the scalp. And lemongrass, you guys, lemongrass is also very good. It has antibacterial, antifungal properties. It strengthens your hair follicles, and it's good for reducing any dandruff that you have. So these are the two I'm using, you guys. With the lemongrass, it does have a lemony kind of scent to it. So if you don't like that lemon scent, you might not like this, but I love the way it smells. So, and I also use other kind of essential oils like rosemary and lavender. I have a lot of different other essential oils that I like to use depending on what I feel like my hair needs at that time. But today we're going with peppermint and lemongrass. So I'm going to put about 6 or 7 drops of this into my bottle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Smells so good. And now I'm going to add the lemongrass. Come out. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the lemongrass, and just gonna add our top. Come on, it don't want to go on. Okay, finally got it. And just shake that up, and we have our DIY hair moisturizer. You guys, with this, also let me tell you about the aloe vera. Make sure when you open your bottle to put it in the refrigerator after you open the bottle. Okay, so you want to keep it cool. Now, with your DIY hair moisturizer, you guys, you don't always have to wet your hair. You want to focus on your scalp. So right now I'm going to spray a little on my scalp. So, oh, that feels good. I'm just spraying. You can just part your hair and just go in and spray on your scalp. And this is just real good. It's good for the hair also, but, and you just want to massage that into your scalp. Smells real good. Really, really good. So yeah, you really need a, if you want your hair to grow, you really need a moisturizer daily. Now, daily don't mean that you have to just wet your hair every day, but you need to put some kind of moisturizer on your scalp, because that's where the hair grows from, your scalp. So you don't have to use a lot, but this is really good. You don't have to use the same essential oils that I use. You can just use the ones that you want to use. They have so many different ones. But you guys, this is a must if you want to see hair growth. You need you DIY hair moisturizer. So you guys, I really hope that this was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any other questions about my DIY hair moisturizer, leave it in the comment section, you guys. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.